So Kayla, tell me what you're wearing.
I'm wearing this just random turtleneck, sleeveless turtleneck shirt that I don't even know how I got, honestly. But just kind of fell into my drawer one day. I'm wearing some...
Oh, the microphone.
Oh no!
That's okay.
I'm wearing some black jeans, and then I'm wearing some... These boots are so terrible because they're run to the ground. They're just some like kind of 90s black ankle boots that I wear every day. So.
Now, what about your trousers? Who are they by? We don't know what the top... You're hot in that top today.
I'm a little warm.
Yeah,
I'm a little warm. These, I really don't know where I got this from, but these I got from Nordstrom's. I don't know who they are.
Shoes? You don't even remember?
I've had them for over a year. I don't remember. I think I got them from some random little boutique LA store.
I love that.
Yeah.
Bag?
Oh, this I actually have had forever too. I think honestly it's Forever 21.
Wicked. I think that's the first Forever 21 we've had.
Yeah, happy I admitted that.
I love it.
Here. You can find some gems, okay?
Oh,
just don't ever admit it.
Such wise words. Kayla, thank you so much. That was your model style. Wicked.